Hello and welcome to this PetDirekt tutorial. Today we are going to demonstrate how to create an account and create a profile for a cat on PetDirekt. So, to move it a bit. So the first step is to go to PetDirekt, petdirekt.se, and here you can see that there is a button on the top menu called Bli-Medlem, and the membership is free, of course. So I click there. Here we go. Go directly to this screen where I'm asked to input my email address. So this is it. I write it twice just to make sure there is no mistake in the spelling. Here you have something called a CAPTCHA. That's a system to avoid spam. And it's based on JavaScript, so you have to make sure that your browser is supporting JavaScript, or you can change the setup if it doesn't. Anyway, I write down the letters I see and I click on the button. There we go. So immediately the system sends a security code, which I'm going to collect on my email address. Oh, this is not it. Yeah. So the last one, yes, because we've made quite a lot of tests. Here we go, 40268. I copy this, I put it there. Right now I select my own password. Just write it down, just make sure this is correct. Remember it. And I'm done. So I have my own account, clear. I have my password, chosen by me. And now I can create my first cat. So my first cat is going to be named Charlie, and I click on next. So Charlie is now member. I'm going to complete my profile very quickly. This is optional, but it's well recommended, especially the address and the post number and the town, since we're using this to do a geo positioning of the cat. So I put PetDirekt as a name, Prometheo as a first name. Write down the address. I'm going to take Bardesgatan number 9, just close to the office. Post number and the place. Next. There we go. That's it. So my account has been created. I can go and update the profile. So this is the profile update page for the PetDirekt cats. So I've taken the name, as you see. I can select the race of the cat. I can select the sex of the cat. I'm going to write down the date when it was born, 0203, like that. Here I can write down the identification code, tattoo number or chip number. I give a small description of my cat, so I can put Charlie is black and white and a white little demon, so etc. I can put the weight to the address collected from what I gave previously, and here I have two, as you see, areas, set of areas with personality and history, where I can provide some more information, insight information about Charlie. Okay, I'm gonna do that later. I just update right away, and I'm going to load a picture. Pictures are important since if the cat runs away, or if you want to exchange information with other members, it's always good that they have an opportunity to see a picture of your cat. So I'm going to upload a picture of Charlie. There we go. Upload. That is it. So now I have Charlie now in the list. So obviously I can complete the profile at a later stage. I'm gonna stop at for this demonstration at that stage, and I'm going to go directly to this map your pet functionality. So I'm going to click here. So map your pet, the objective is to create a geo positioning of the cat. It doesn't, it's not enough to fill up the address, post number and town. You have to really go through this functionality using Google Maps to do this geo positioning. So as you see, I can either position the cat manually or automatically. So if I try to position it automatically, well, you see that it goes directly onto the correct place. If I'm not pleased or if the system doesn't manage to find the correct address, I can always change manually the information. Here we go, and then I navigate with the mouse to Stockholm, for instance. Here we go. There we go. I go up, and this is standard Google Map functionality. Here we go, and I'm going to position the cat here. So, and I confirm. Now the geo positioning has been carried out. So what is the result of that? First, you can see that Charlie has popped up here in the list of new arrived cats. The other thing which is interesting is that if I go there and I click on Stockholm, so the list of the cats or the cats, the last cat will be positioned on the map. In here we are just loading the 200 last cats set up in PetDirekt. As you go down in a specific area, there are more cats popping up. So don't despair if your cat is not appearing at once on this big map. So I go to Stockholm. Now there is obviously quite a lot of people in Stockholm, but if I go in my specific place here, sure, we've made some tests, so there is it's quite crowded, but I think this one, it will be the right one. Yes, this is Charlie that I've just created. So from now on I can look around, and I've created my my account, and well, you can look at the next video which will be using your account to communicate with others, where we describe what you can do with this account. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you later.